Tama yun, hindi namin makuha-kuha yung pang-pitong panalo, no? Yun sana yung objective namin. Obviously, we're struggling. Parang similar yung takbo ng laro ng Ginebra tsaka itong NLEX game namin. There were situations na feeling ko we were about to get back into the game, pero we kind of beat ourselves. Yung third quarter, naka-rally na kami, nakadikit na kami, na-force namin yung fifth foul nung import. But in the third quarter alone, nagmintis kami ng 10 free throws. Crucial yon sa tingin ko. Kung we made a good percentage of those free throws, magta-turn na yung tide, no? Hindi namin na take advantage yun. Then we could not contain yung game ni Robert, no? Played a really good game. He was scoring, he was making assists. Nag-struggle kami to find a solution. So ang tingin ko, hindi naman hopeless yung situation namin. We still have a game on the 31st, but it's against TNT. But I think we just need a morale booster, to get back our regular game, our confidence. So we'll try to get that booster on the 31st. Ganun talaga nangyayari, no? I think kailangan na rin kami, no? We need a wake-up call. We need to reset. Siguro kailangan din namin himayin, no? Evaluate kung ano yung mga dahilan, no? We have we have 6 days before our next game. So I think that's a good time to make the assessment and find out how we can get back to our regular rhythm and regular game.